Hello everyone, welcome to Food Chemistry by Amrita. I hope you all are doing well and enjoying my recipes, and I'm also looking forward for your love and support towards my channel. Summer season is on and summer season is incomplete without the mangoes, and we are getting variety of mangoes in the market out there, and we all love the different flavors of mango. Obviously the Alfonso is unbeatable, and in Food Chemistry's kitchen I was planning to prepare something out of a mango. I was thinking on the recipes, then I figured it out like, okay, I can prepare something like mango muffins. So for mango muffins I have taken this shape and size of mango. So this is a Baiganfili variety of mango, and here in South India you will get a very nice flavor of this mango, and it is available in bigger quantity. So that's how I thought and I bought this. And obviously for the muffins we require the dry ingredients first, so I have already sorted with my dry ingredients. I have included maida 1 cup as well as atta, that is the wheat flour. So I'm planning to make a fusion mango recipe. So this contains 1 cup of maida. I have taken this cup only as in terms of measurement, and half to this cup I have taken wheat flour. Into this there is 2 tablespoons of baking powder, half a tablespoon of baking soda, and the powder sugar. So that is around 3 to 4 tablespoons. So I will be managing the sweet consistency depending on the mango, because if the mango is sweet we don't need much sugar, and I'm preferring to use minimum sugar in my recipe. So let's get started. As you can see, I have taken another bowl which is very big in size so that I can mix the ingredients in a proper way. The first tempting ingredient is the mango pulp. So I have taken the mango pulp out of the mixture jar. Remember, here I have not put any water, so don't use any water into this pulp. Just mix it in the grinder and take it out of it. So here goes the pulp. Beautiful yellow color is, so you can see that. Next comes the toad milk. So this is 1 cup of toad milk. We are preparing our wet ingredients here. Goes the vanilla. Fragrance is amazing. Since we are preparing eggless, I'm going to replace the eggs with the vegetable oil. So you can make use of any vegetable oil which don't have strong smell. So I have used here safflower. Give it a nice stir to the wet ingredients. I am now sorted with my wet ingredients. It's now time to swift our dry ingredients which we have already prepared. So let's do that. Our dry and wet ingredients have been mixed together. You can use the cut and fold method to mix them in a proper way, and then we are ready to arrange them in our muffin maker. Here is the time to arrange our muffins. So you can see the beautiful muffin batter is ready, and take a little amount of it. Arrange it. I think this much is sufficient, so just pour half, because once it is baked it will pop up. Wow. Fill the rest of the blanks. I have preheated my oven to 180 degrees for around 10 minutes, and this will go for around 35 to 40 minutes, and then we are ready. finally, the mango muffins foods chemistry special are ready. They have turned out really well, as you can see here. Even I have tried with some another design, so this is the one. If you like this recipe, do try it and let me know how it turned out for you. Please subscribe and support to my channel. Thank you so much for watching Food Chemistry by Amrita. Stay healthy, remain healthy, and stay safe.